Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, Made with Glee. In today's video, I am participating in the International Fall Wreath collaboration for 2019, being hosted by 6 lovely ladies from around the world. These ladies, let's see, there's 6 of them. There's Mom Das, Life Handmade from India, Kiki's DIY from Puerto Rico, Deco Easy from the Netherlands, Style with Pat from Singapore, Kentucky Fried Fun from the USA, and Shell's Glam Home from Australia. They are collaborating for this particular playlist. They wanted us to all create or share, display, whatever, our fall wreath for 2019. Now, we could have made one, store-bought, whatever. Now, I have a store-bought wreath that's pretty old. It's over 10 years old. I've had it since my previous home, and I've been in my new home for close to a decade. So basically, what I decided to do was just spruce it up for fall 2019. There's a few naked spots in my wreath where flowers have fallen out. So I took 2 of these Dollar Tree pumpkin picks, the floral picks, 2 of them that were the same, and I stuck them into the 2 pretty naked bald spots where, like I said, the majority of the flowers have fallen out. So I just stuck those into my wreath. And once I did that, I decided, you know what, I kind of needed a little bit more because just 2 pumpkins in that wreath didn't look quite as nice. So I used the pumpkin clips that you also get from the Dollar Tree. These come 3 in a package. So I went ahead and I clipped those on just randomly on the leaves and the stems of this arrangement. Now, this particular wreath, like I said, it's old. I got it from either Joann's or Michael's, and it's held up pretty well. The flowers are in great conditions. I have lost some, but I still think it looks really good. I did dust it and clean it up a little bit, like wipe it up with some, I don't know what I use, Windex, something, leaf shine. I'm not sure what I used, but I wiped it and just kind of, freshened it up a little bit. And adding these pumpkins, I think, gave it a whole new life. And then just using leftover ribbons from, the one ribbon, the plaid ribbon from the Dollar Tree that I used in a few other projects for fall this year. I decided to tie it all into my decor by just wrapping that leftover ribbon. I didn't measure anything, just whatever I had left, I just wrapped it around the wreath and tuck it in. Now, I'm not decorating for fall as of yet, so I am currently sharing this wreath with you guys up in my hallway, but later on in September, when I finally do decorate, this wreath will be downstairs, so it will tie in with the rest of my decor. That's why I'm using the same plaid ribbon I used in my lantern and other DIYs. So that's about it, you guys. This was really simple and easy for me to do because I spent $3, $4 if you count the ribbon. That's about it, just to update and give my very old wreath a whole new life. I love the way it looks now, filled out and not naked, with naked spots. So thank you, Mom Das Life Handmade, Kiki DIYs, Deco Easy, Style with Pat, Kentucky Fried Fun, Shell's Glam Home for the fun collaboration. I will be linking all of these ladies' channels below, as well as the playlist, so you can check out everyone else's fall wreath that they created or bought, and however they're displaying it. And do check out our hostess's channel. There's quite a variety of content being offered. Some of them do cleaning, some of them do DIYs. It's a really good group of women that I think you will enjoy. So do check them out. And of course, please do hit that like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Have a wonderful day, everyone.